Hey, where do you think you're going?
Hiccup! Get me down from here!
You have to give me a chance to explain.
I'm not listening to anything you have to say!
Pretty much the co-captain.
Then let's get this over with.
Nothing to be afraid of. Oh, nice touch! We worked out a whole system, remember? And now the spinning! Thank you for nothing, you useless reptile!
Wait! Toothless, I'm sorry! Fine. You made your point.
What? What's up?
The dragon's nest. Oh, what my dad wouldn't give to find this.
All right, bud. Time to go.